Alright, what's up guys? It's your boy CeeLo from Smoking Metal Car Fun, back with another Smoking Metal Car Fun video. This package right here, I done had since about September, October, something like that. About August. As a matter of fact, that's when it was ordered, in August. My wife said, I done had this for a minute. And I wasn't going to use it. I was actually going to send it back because I was going to go a different route. But being as though we got it, we're going to go ahead and go that route. There's more things that I have to come for it. This is only like one part of the components to the build of the newer Magnum. Just a little bit more aggressiveness. Nothing to seriously say, ooh, I got a Hellcat. No, we just enjoying it. But we do got some more things that's gonna come later. That's why we gonna go ahead and do this. So for a lot of people that's gonna be like, man, why you doing that? It's a V6. Well, because I got something coming later. So something to play around with so we can have fun with it at the same time. Something else for me to teach my son how to build. I ain't saying I know how to build these things, but I'm gonna learn too. So
we gonna YouTube it together.
We we both gonna learn this together. So with that being said, I ain't gonna hold y'all up, man. I know y'all got things y'all want to be doing. It's getting ready to be New Year's. So y'all will be getting this video actually on New Year's Eve. So hope y'all like it. And like I say all the time, be kind in the comments. I know I'm gonna get some negative comments, but at the same time, like I always say, you watch this video too. So I greatly appreciate your negative comments. So with that being said, with this old box, we're gonna go ahead. Inside the box still look like new. The dogs have made the outside look nasty. We all are actually just now seeing what's in this box. My son, my wife. So here go one box. And oh goodness gracious. That box is heavy. That box is heavy. Thank you. Oh goodness gracious. What side do we open? Okay. We'll keep that side down. Alright, so we ain't gonna open a heavy one yet. We'll open this. Alright. Y'all see that picture on that wall? I got that from my wife. That's nice. I just put it up. And
that struggle was real.
oh my goodness, I should have recorded that. It was terrible.
What was that movie, YouTube Dad?
Oh yeah, that would have been a good one to record. YouTube Dad. Be like, yeah, me trying to do that. It just don't work out all the time. But I got it. It looks good. It looks good.
I love it.
So, yes. And another box. And another one, Devin. Let's see. Let's check this box out. Uh-oh. Y'all know what I gotta think about, right? What y'all think I gotta think about?
Pink.
Blue. Blue. Look at that. That's gonna look good. Ooh, this hurt a little piece. We're gonna sit that right there.
Name that piece.
Yeah. Sit that right there. Got another box. Boxes inside of boxes. Uh-oh. Some more stuff that we're going to be learning about. Oil. Blow off valves. Yup. Ooh. I might need y'all help to teaching me how to build this stuff. So any of y'all that possibly I've subscribed to that did this, holla at me, man. Let me know, because I'm trying to do it. Ah, there go my hoses. And the shield. And that piece. So when you put the intake on it, the intake. My header. This is shield, if y'all can see it. It's the shield for it. It's pretty decent. I don't even know if I want to take it off as long as it seems like it want to come off. But decent little shield for it. This is all new. Alright, so my phone died. We had to plug it up real quick. So, let's see. Here goes the heavy box. Y'all already probably should know what's in this heavy box. Excuse me, nose a little stuffy. Plus, getting ready to, my wife finished cutting for one of our truck drivers' friends for their truck. Pretty cool. What's going to go on the back of it. I got to layer it. So, that's another thing I'm doing. Oh, goodness gracious. Goodness gracious. We're going to try to put this big thing up underneath. Now, this big old turbo. Oh, goodness.
Is it a twin turbo?
No, you got to have two of them, bro.
Okay.
This is only one. But that goes on here. The blue piece goes right here. I can't wait till we hook this up. This is gonna be a mission, son. This is gonna be fun. We wanna get a screenshot. Let me just put the cap on it.
I want to see that square piece goes on the other end. I'm helping y'all. I'm helping.
Yeah. She's doing her thing.
Okay, you ready for the picture yet?
Wait for the picture. I'm ready for the picture.
See, look, you don't need to work on it.
I don't. I'm learning. All this is new. But, yeah, I forgot where this shit go. It don't go there. The hoses. See? Boy, oh boy, oh boy, oh boy.
Got my hands full,
See?
y'all help.
My hose go there. You know what I mean? This probably gonna be a funny video. You know what I mean?
About us putting it together.
Yeah. But this would sit right here, though. Really. It's sitting there.
Is that like the speaker on like a
It's the blow off.
time radio?
This
With the noise coming out.
Yeah.
Kind of like the horn or the
And it's
tuba.
the fan to cool it. All learning shit. All this learning shit. Learning. Sorry.
Oh, found out where it fits.
Yep. I think we did.
I was gonna say I have to go to Walmart and buy you one of them shape balls with all the little holes in it.
Yeah, because how it's gonna boat. It's gonna boat.
See? Square piece. Got you. I'm on it.
See, it's either gonna boat like this
into.
This hose hooks to the hose that goes to the coolant, into the cooler, that radiator. And I gotta get that part. Gotta get there's a certain particular radiator you gotta get. See what I mean? This is all learning. I don't know nothing about no turbos.
I didn't get the picture because you didn't sit back and sit still.
I didn't get no picture. We ain't get no picture. Goodness gracious. Alright.
Let's
Try that again.
Want to put the blue piece back where it was?
You don't remember where it goes.
I'm saying back in the box. Put it back in the box. The blue piece back in the box.
Is you fine?
Mhm.
Well, ain't tell me put it back in the box.
Cause I'm about to take a picture
Of everything.
as much of everything as I can get.
Huh?
As much of everything as I can get.
Yeah.
You can leave those two boxes. Lean back a little bit. Right there. You ready? 3, 2, done. Okay, you can go back to your video.
Probably should have gave a video like I'm confused as fuck. Picture. Go ahead. Alright.
Okay.
Hopefully my mouth don't look crazy.
Okay, so the only problem is, none of these are showing the little bell thing.
The one you have in your phone. The one from where I bought it. You pause. Why you just letting it record? You see? So, it is a Street Demon Stage 2 blow-off valve turbo. T3 and T4. So, yeah. This is what we get ready to play with when the summer hit. So I'm gonna go ahead and put this away. So, with that being said, y'all, I'm just gonna say Magnum getting ready to change into something crazy. So, with that being said, make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe, smash the notification bell so you get all upcoming content that I put out. So that way you guys can possibly see the videos that me and my son make with me teaching him, or with both of us, as you can see, getting ready to be a learning process. So I got more parts to buy for this, but change is coming. Catch y'all on the next one.
Happy New Year!
Happy New Year. Stay safe, stay positive,